welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So you may have seen I recently published a video on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classics discussing our 10 likes and dislikes. And in this video we'll be doing something similar on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 with our top 6 likes and dislikes, following on from our experience with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 hands-on. So let's start off with the likes. Number 1, the processor. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is faster, great for gaming, more efficient, and overall good for the battery.
Number 2 is the new S Pen. It is very slim and the pen is completely redesigned from the one on Fold 4. It looks like Samsung is getting ready to integrate the pen into the next Fold, hopefully Fold 6. The pen is even slimmer than the one on S22 from our hands-on look. The pen is longer, but it's far thinner, it's very flat, and it feels well, and also it is very well integrated into the new case, which is very compact. It's almost flat, so if you're putting it on the table, there's a slight bump you may feel, but it's quite flat compared to the one on the Fold 4, which has a huge bump because of thickness of the pen. So that's definitely a big change, probably one of the biggest changes that Fold 5 is bringing.
Number 3, redesigned hinge, which ensures the device closes completely flat, looks good, and will keep dust out.
Number 4, immersive inner screen with under panel display camera. So this means there's no obstructions when you're viewing content, watching movies, YouTube. Other folds don't have that. Pixel, for example, has a camera cutout, and so do the other folds. Although the under display camera is of poor quality, only 4 megapixels, it's not something people need to use really, other than just for Zoom calls and team calls, video calling. It's not really something, it's not one for taking selfies when there are other cameras that can do that.
Number 5, color options. There are a couple of nice online exclusive color options. They are both two-toned. So the first one is blue with black frame and camera module. Second one is gray with black frame and camera module. They are both very nice. In store, you have the option of phantom black, ice blue, and cream.
Number 6, the last of our likes. So this phone comes with great multitasking features, as did Fold 4. So we have a dock with all the quick access to applications, work on multiple windows at one time. You have the pop-up windows. You have the decks as well, which takes things to a completely another level. Pixel Fold, for example, only allows you to have 2 screens running at one time. So this one, multitasking wise, you also have the S Pen. It is really completely on another level in terms of multitasking.
Moving on to dislikes. Number 1, the weight and the thickness of Fold 5. So overall, Fold 5 is still thicker than other new foldable phones out in the market, like Pixel Fold, Honor Magic V2. Having said that, Fold 5 is slimmer at 13.4 mm, weighing at 253 gram, compared to last year's Fold 4 at 15.8 mm thickness and weighing at 263 gram.
Number 2, it is still very visible, the crease. And despite the new water drop hinge design, the crease hasn't gone away. You can feel the crease when you're using the device, when you're rubbing your finger over the screen or using the S Pen. And although there has been a slight improvement, it is very much still there.
Moving on to number 3, no design change or update. Samsung has now kept almost the same design for the 4th tier, Fold 2, 3, 4, and now Fold 5. They've refined the design, bringing IPX rating for water resistant, improving bezels, thickness, and weight, but have not been able to integrate the S Pen yet.
Number 4, the cover design. It is still very narrow and cramped, when other foldables have wide aspect ratios, making the cover screen more usable. For example, the Pixel Fold has a wider inner screen, so when you're opening the device, it naturally opens in a widescreen mode without having to rotate the phone as much as the Fold 4 or Fold 5.
Number 5, battery capacity. So it's the same size battery as last year's Fold 4. It's 4400 mAh. When competitions such as Honor Magic V2 has 5000 mAh and is thinner than Fold 5. Pixel Fold is also thinner than Fold 5.
Number 6. No change to the camera yet again. So it's the same sensor as last year. They could have really improved it this time around. They could have improved the telephoto lenses to at least 5 times zoom. It still is at 3 times. Other foldables are bringing far better quality cameras. Fold 5 cameras are not bad. Fold 4 cameras were good. Fold 5s will be better, but they could have really improved the cameras considering the thickness hasn't really reduced that much. They could have improved lenses, but they haven't.
So that was our 6 likes and dislikes. Let's summarize and conclude the video.
So despite Fold 5 not bringing a huge amount of changes compared to Fold 4, it is still one of the best foldable devices that will be on the market in terms of its software, implementation, and just general hardware, multitasking, and all the other capabilities that it offers.
So I feel if you're coming from a Fold 4, it's not worthy enough for an upgrade. However, if you're coming from a Fold 2 or a 3, it's definitely worth an upgrade. And I'm trading in my Fold 3 for a Fold 5. It would be great to know if you're upgrading, and if you are, which phone you're upgrading from. Also, do let us know your likes and dislikes of the Fold 5. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Your subscription will help us a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.